What's up, online shoppers? I am back with another awesome Shashibo shape-shifting cube. Now this is a puzzle cube that transforms into over 70 different shapes. Now an agent for Shashibo sent me this to do, but my thoughts and my opinions are my own. So let's open it up and see what it's like. Now this one here is actually the Artist Series. They have so many different designs you can choose from. In the Artist Series, there's at least 15 different designs, and then they have some that are inspired by natural wonders like the Northern Lights, like trees and forests. So you can find some for every person's particular interests, and it will intrigue them. Now I bought one of these for each of my nieces for Christmas, and they absolutely loved them. They come with a little instruction book. These are like a fidget cube in some ways because you can open them up and move them around. Here is the outside of the cube. You can see it's got all these brilliant, beautiful colors. This one here is called the Cosmic Surfer. It even has the artist's signature on it like this. And it's a little bit stiff because it's the first time I've opened it, but it's really awesome. Now, something I love about these is that the surface does stick. You have probably 4 different patterns that open up. You've got like this really cool kind of red and blue pattern. You've got the purples, and there's so many different shapes that you can put this in. The other cool thing about these is that you can actually blend them with other Shashibo cubes. You can buy these in sets where you get 4 of the same exact kind or 2 of the exact same kind, and then you can put them together and build a bunch of different shapes. But like, look how awesome that is. That is really cool. Now, magnets are what keep all the sides together, and there's all kinds of little individual magnets inside each of the corners, which mean that once you manipulate it into a shape, that's going to be what makes it stick together. Each of these Shashibo cubes has 36 rare earth magnets in them, and as I said before, that is what controls the movement of them. Each of the blocks has 4 different unique patterns on the sides of them. So you can see that would be one pattern right there. There is another pattern right there, all of these really cool kind of cosmic stars. And then you did also see that first side that's like brilliant in reds and yellows. I get that to open like this right there. It really is a cool toy to play with. You can sit and manipulate it again and again. Look how awesome that is. And you can see that this would also fit another one in. You can join 2, 4, 6 of them up together. And if you have a collection of the Shashibos, you can actually connect one to the other, even if they're different designs. It's going to look really awesome. These were a hit with my nieces when I bought them for Christmas, and I also have one sitting on my dining room table. And honestly, when I'm thinking and I want to just like do something to distract my hands, I pick up my Shashibo cube. Let's see if I can get it to fold back into a cube. That will be the actual test right there to see if we can get it back into a cube. I don't know, it's going to be a job. I guess I have more fidgeting to do. Well, if you were looking for a really cool puzzle cube for fidgets, for something interesting and unique to put on your coffee table to talk about, to give someone a really awesome, cool gift that's kind of artistic as well, this Shashibo shape-shifting tube, say that one 5 times fast, is definitely a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.